Looking for the best plants to create a natural privacy fence? In this video, we bring you the top 5 plants for fences that will not only provide the extra privacy you're looking for, but also add stunning beauty to your outdoor space. Whether you dream of a lush green hedge or a vibrant, flowering fence, these plants are sure to transform your garden into a private sanctuary. From fast-growing shrubs to low-maintenance climbers, we've got the perfect solutions for every garden. Tune in to discover how these plants can elevate your outdoor living area, creating the perfect balance between privacy and natural charm. Top 5 privacy fence plants. 1. Bamboo. Bamboo, a fast-growing plant that's perfect for creating a dense, tall barrier. Known for its rapid growth, bamboo can quickly transform your garden into a private oasis. With its sleek, elegant appearance and ability to form a thick, green wall, bamboo is the ideal choice for anyone looking to add both privacy and a touch of exotic flair to their outdoor space. It's low maintenance, durable, and provides year-round coverage, making it a standout option for a natural privacy fence. 2. Leyland Cypress. Leyland Cypress, a popular evergreen hedge that provides quick privacy. Known for its fast growth and dense foliage, the Leyland Cypress creates an impressive, tall privacy screen in no time. Its vibrant green color stays rich year-round, offering natural coverage and seclusion through all seasons. Perfect for anyone seeking a low-maintenance, reliable privacy solution, this hardy evergreen is a favorite choice for a lush, year-round fence. 3. Boxwood Buxus. Boxwood Buxus, a classic, elegant option for neatly trimmed hedges. With its dense, dark green foliage and compact growth habit, boxwood is perfect for creating formal, well-maintained privacy fences. Its versatility allows it to be shaped into any size or style you prefer, making it an ideal choice for those who love a polished, clean look. 4. Privet Ligustrum. Privet Ligustrum, easy to shape and maintain with dense foliage that provides excellent privacy. This hardy shrub is perfect for creating a thick, green barrier that blocks out unwanted views. Privet grows quickly and can be easily trimmed into any shape, making it a versatile choice for both formal and informal garden styles. Whether you're looking for a low-maintenance privacy fence or a plant that's easy to customize, Privet offers a dense, year-round solution for your outdoor space. 5. Climbing roses. Climbing roses adds color, fragrance, and a natural barrier to fences. With their beautiful, cascading blooms and sweet scent, climbing roses not only enhance the aesthetic of your garden, but also create a stunning, natural privacy screen. These elegant plants can quickly cover fences and trellises, providing both beauty and seclusion. Why choose privacy fence plants? 1. Enhances privacy and blocks unwanted views. Enhances privacy and blocks unwanted views. Create a serene and secluded outdoor space by using plants that not only beautify your garden, but also provide much-needed privacy. These plants form natural barriers, shielding your space from prying eyes and offering a peaceful retreat. Whether it's a hedge, vine, or shrub, enhancing your privacy with lush greenery ensures you enjoy your garden in complete tranquility. 2. Reduces noise and creates a peaceful outdoor space. Reduces noise and creates a peaceful outdoor space. A natural privacy fence doesn't just block unwanted views. It also helps reduce noise, turning your garden into a peaceful haven. Dense plants, shrubs, and trees absorb sound, creating a quieter, more serene environment. Whether you live in a busy neighborhood or near a bustling street, these plants offer a soothing escape, allowing you to relax and unwind in your own tranquil outdoor space. 3. Provides shade and protection from wind. provides shade and protection from wind. In addition to enhancing privacy, many of these plants offer the added benefits of shade and wind protection. Tall, dense hedges and trees create a cool, shaded retreat, perfect for hot summer days. They also act as natural windbreaks, reducing the impact of gusty winds and making your outdoor space more comfortable. With these plants, you can enjoy a more pleasant and sheltered environment all year round. Adds aesthetic value and increases property appeal. Adds aesthetic value and increases property appeal. A well-designed natural privacy fence not only enhances your privacy, but also elevates the overall beauty of your property. The vibrant greenery, flowers, or textured leaves create a visually stunning backdrop, improving the curb appeal and making your outdoor space feel more inviting. Watch the full video for more details on how to grow and maintain these privacy plants. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips and landscaping ideas. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update, and stay tuned for more great content to help you create your dream garden.
Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.